Hello my dear student, welcome to exam prep tool. If you are preparing for GATE CSE, GATE DA or DSA classes for any one of these, if you are preparing, exam prep tool is the best choice. Right? I hope you will enjoy all these lectures. I hope you will enjoy all these lectures at any point of time. If you have any doubt, please WhatsApp us, number also given, right, for doubts purpose. At any point of time, if you have any doubt, please WhatsApp us. But remember, right, all the lectures utilize it. Make proper notes. And myself, I want to say to you, I am Subbarao Lingam Gunta. I completed my engineering from IIT Bombay in computer science department. I am the GATE top ranker. Me and my team is having 14 years of teaching experience. We will help you to resolve all your doubts. The only thing is, right, utilize all these lectures, make proper notes. At anywhere, if you have any doubt, please ping us through that WhatsApp number. We have one group for doubt solving purpose. We will also add you, right? You can happily, right, solve all your doubts and all. Right? I hope you will enjoy the lectures. Go ahead. I think yesterday we done three problems. Can you say finally what is the meaning of time complexity finding? Time complexity finding is nothing but finding loops. Time complexity finding is nothing but finding loops. If many loops are there, larger loop. So time complexity means finding loops only. If many loops are there, find larger loop. Now go to the next one now. Example 4. Fourth example. Main. Everyone. So at the end of the today's class, you are okay with the time complexity. Because sir, I am your student. Yes, I can understand. Don't do emotional blackmailing. Ropam madam, don't blackmail me emotionally. I am your student. I know you are my student. Don't do emotional blackmailing, madam. Right, see this one. Main. X is equal to a plus b. Y is equal to c plus d. E is equal to f plus g. G is equal to E plus Y. H is equal to X plus C. End of this program. Can anyone say what is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone say what is the time complexity of this program? Can anyone say time complexity of this program? Yeah, if anyone don't like, please like the channel. If anyone don't like, please like the channel. It will take 1 minute only. Please like the channel. It will take 1 minute only. Please like the channel. It will take 1 minute only. If anyone don't like, please like the channel. Like the channel. It will take, liking channel will take constant time. Liking channel will take only just constant time. Like the channel, liking channel will take only constant time. It will take only constant time. Order of 1. Liking channel will take only constant time. Order of 1. Those people who are not liking, God is seeing from top. Those people who are not liking, God is seeing from top. He will like you. If you don't like me, right, he also don't like you. If you don't like the channel, he also don't like you. God is seeing from top. Just it will take 1 minute. Yeah, someone is saying our problem also will take constant time. Exactly. See, no loop is there. Time complexity big O of 1. If no loop is there, time complexity big O of 1. Remember, time complexity big O of 1. Sometimes people will write time complexity big O of 1. Some people will write omega of 1 also. That is also correct. Big O of 1 correct. Omega of 1 also correct. Theta of 1 also correct. But what is the difference? Afterwards I will say to you. Sometimes big O of 1, sometimes omega of 1, sometimes theta of 1. Sometimes big O of 1, sometimes omega of 1, sometimes theta of n. Theta of 1. All will be same, but right, definitely there is a difference, but in this problem all are same. What is the difference? Afterwards I will let you know. Afterwards I will let you know. What is the difference? Afterwards I will let you know. Right, perfect. Perfect. Let's go to the next one. I think this problem everyone find. Can I say why this program time complexity constant? Why this program time complexity constant? Because no loop. No loop is there means time complexity constant. Order of 1 means constant time. Order of 1 means constant time. Remember, order of 1 as it is like order of 20. As it is like order of 30. All called as constant time. 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 Order of 1, order of 20, order of 30. Everything is considered to be constant time. Everything considered to be constant time because no loop. Because no loop. Right? Because no loop. Right? Yes, perfect. Everyone is fine now. Everyone is fine now. Can you go to the next one? Can you go to the next one? Example 5. Example 5. Example 5. Main. Example 5. Main. X is equal to y plus z. For I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to n. I plus plus. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. Next one. For I is equal to 1. I less than or equal to n. I plus plus. For j is equal to 1. J less than or equal to n. J plus plus. X is equal to y plus z. End of this for loop. End of this for loop. End of this for loop. Yeah, can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Please learn properly. Don't postpone. Don't postpone. Please learn properly. Yeah, can you come here now? What is the time complexity of this program? I don't know. Yesterday we done this problem. Yesterday we done this problem. What is the answer for this? Yesterday we done. Time complexity of this program. Yesterday we done. What is the answer? We already done yesterday this problem. What will be the time complexity? What will be the time complexity? Can you see this one? Everyone know. Everyone know. In this program it is the first statement. In this program it is the second statement. In this program it is the third statement. First statement order of magnitude is 1. Second statement order of magnitude is n. Order of magnitude means a statement is executing how many times. While running, a statement will execute how many times. Right? While running, the statement will execute n time. Next one, each I value, j will repeat n time. Each I value 1, j will repeat n time. I value 2, j will repeat n time. I value 3, j value will repeat n time, and so on. N times n square. N times n square. If 2 times n, 2n, 3 times n, 3n, 4 times n, 4n, n times n, nn. N times n, nn. 2 times 2n, 3 times 3n, 2 times 2n, 3 times 3n, n times nn, n times nn, so n square. So order of magnitude if you calculate for all the people, n square plus n plus 1, which is nothing but big O of n square. Yesterday already we done. Time complexity of this program is order of n square. Yesterday we are already done. Time complexity means loops only. If more loops are there, take larger loop. Some people are asking, then why you explaining this one, sir? Why you explain? See this one. Why you explain? Nothing there. Small change I want to do. See this one. Small change. Let us assume that it is not n. It is not n. Assume it is n by 2. Suppose assume that it is not n. It is n by 2. N by 2. Each I value 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 n by 2. N times n by 2. N square by 2. This will become n square by 2. This will become, see this one, n square by 2, n and plus 1. Who is the bigger one? N square by 2 is bigger. N square by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into n square. Forget about constant big O of 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 n square. 1 by 2 into n square. 1 by 2 is a constant big O of n square. Big O of n square. The actual answer is n square by 2 plus n plus 1. In front of n square, n and plus 1 is smaller. So n and plus 1 neglect. N square by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into n square. 1 by 2 is a constant. So simply order of n square. Right? Please careful. Please careful. Please careful. Let me know if anyone having doubt. Let me know if anyone having doubt. I think I done 5 problems. I done 5 problems. Example 6. I think 6 problems over, right? 6 problems are over. 4, 5, sorry for this 6th problem. It is the 6th problem. Are you okay till now? Yes, sir, I can blindly follow you because help me a lot in DSA and Algo. Because of you, sir, I am working as a software developer at HCL. Thank you so much, Ropam. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, let's go to next problem. Main. If anyone having any doubt, you can post in the group. Target AIR with 100 CSC. His name itself is Target AIR with 100 CSC. Array target, you don't have any name. Name itself is target. His name itself is Target AIR within 100 CSC. Okay, good boy. See the main. I think now let's start the next one. Now. While I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. While I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. X is equal to y plus z. X is equal to y plus z. I is equal to I plus 1. Can anyone help me? What is the time complexity of this program? Target ready, sir. Array Suman Gootle. If you target me, what you will get? Target gate. Array Gootle. Suman Gootle. If you target me, what you will get? Target gate. Target DSA. Target DSA. Venkatesh, you came yesterday's class. You came yesterday's class or not? Venkatesh, you came yesterday's class. I didn't see you yesterday. Arey Venkatesh, I didn't see you yesterday. Where is Goyal? Where is Goyal? If you find Goyal anywhere, please catch him. Goyal may be roaming in the market. Go and catch him. Hi, Goyal is there. Good boy. Goyal came. Good boy. Hi. Hi Venkatesh. Hi Goyal. Yeah, can you say what is the answer of this? I want answer from you. What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? After 1.3 hours I left the class. Okay. I didn't see you. Anyhow, can you say this? What is the time complexity of this program? Can you see this? What is the time complexity of this program? Can you see this one? It's the problem number 7. Sorry, problem number 6. Can you see the time complexity? I is equal to 1. Listen, I is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to n, condition true. 2 less than or equal to n, condition true. 3 less than or equal to n, condition true. 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also. N less than or equal to n also, condition true. N less than or equal to n also, condition true. So whenever I value becomes n plus 1, n plus 1 less than or equal to n, fail. So pass happened until here. Pass happened until here. See this one. This loop is repeating n time. Every time 2 people are running. So 2 into every time 2 people, like that n time. So time complexity 2n. 2 is a constant. 2 is a constant which can be written as, forget about constant, order of n. Right? Every time 2 people are running, like that n times. Every time 2 people running, like that n times. 2n. 2 is a constant, n time. Target AR within 100. Rupam, you are working in a prestigious organization, still you are trying in forget. What is the problem? What is your problem? Right? What is your problem? Target bhaiya, what is your problem? Why you bother? Why you bothers? Maybe she want to try Microsoft, she want to try Google, she want to go to IIT. What is your problem, target bhaiya? Bhaiya, what is your problem? Time complexity of this program is actually 2n. Rishabh Shukla saying that, hey, even I was working in SCL, it's not prestigious organization. Now target bhaiya, what you do? My classroom became a metro station. My classroom became a metro station. My classroom purpose is discussing about HCL company, TCS company, Infosys company. My classroom became a metro station. My classroom became a metro station discussing about TCS, Infosys, HCL, Aericent, yeah, right? Accenture, right? Discussing about all these companies. Arey, target Gootle, name only target, but your target is different. Arey, Google, listen. So time complexity of this program is 2n, right? So time complexity is order of n. I hope you are enjoying the lectures. If you want notes, we have AIR1 notes freely available. PYQs of last 20 years also freely available. The only thing what you have to do is go to the exam prep tool app, go to the Play Store, EPT, go to the Play Store, right? You type EPT or exam prep tool. Exam prep tool. Go to the Play Store, download this app. You will find out 20 years of PYQs with solutions available. AIR1 notes also available. So many things are available freely. You can utilize it. Next problem number 7. Problem number 7. Problem number 7. Mean. Problem number 7. Mean. X is equal to y plus z. Sorry. Problem number 7. From now onwards, everyone careful. From now onwards, everyone careful. Some dangerous problems are coming. I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. While I is equal to I less than or equal to n. While I less than or equal to n. Can you help me? Can you help me one small line? Can you help me one small line? I is equal to I plus 1. What will be the time complexity? I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. I is equal to I plus 1. What will be the time complexity? Yeah, can you say what is the time complexity? Just a small change there. Just a small change there. Please take care. What is the time complexity? Small change there. What is the time complexity? Someone is saying that no statement there. This itself is one statement. This itself is one statement. Omega also you can say, theta also you can say, big O also you can say whatever you want. All same. Some point of time they will differ. Some point of time they will differ. As of now all are same. As of now all are same. What is the time complexity? Right. Now listen everyone. Now. As of now everyone listen. So I is always incrementing by 1. See this one. I is always incrementing by 1. I is always incrementing by 1. If I is always incrementing by 1, this loop will repeat. N by 1 time. If I is always incrementing by 1, this loop will repeat n by 1 time. Suppose I is equal to I plus 10. This loop will repeat n by 10 times. I is always incrementing plus 10. This loop will repeat n by 10 times. I is always incrementing by 100. This loop will repeat n by 100. N by 100. If at all I is always incrementing plus 2, this loop will repeat by n by 2. If I is always incrementing by I is equal to I plus 20, right? This loop will repeat n by 20. N by 20. If anyone having small doubt, please check here. I is always incrementing by 20. Assume that n is 100. See what happened. 1 less than or equal to 100 true. Then go inside. Then I value increment by 20. So 21 less than or equal to 100. Go inside. I is always incrementing by 20. 41 less than or equal to 100. Right? Again go inside. Next one. Again 20. 61 less than or equal to 100. Again 20. 81 less than or equal to 100. Again 20. 101 less than or equal to 100. Fail. If you want, you can check how many times you are able to go inside. Inside I am able to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, you can check. 100 by 20 is 5. 5 times loop repeated. If you want, you can check loop repeated 5 times. I is always incrementing by 20. Loop repeated n by 20. I is always incremented by 5. Loop is incremented by 5. I is always incremented by 100. So n by 100. If n value 100, n by 100. So the time complexity of this problem is going to be n by 20. The time complexity of this program is going to be n by 20. 1 by 20 is a constant into n, which can be written as big O of n. Time complexity of this program big O of n. Thank you, Sudeep. Yeah, thank you so much, my kid. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sudeep. I remembered, Sudeep. Thank you so much. I am proud to have these kind of students. Thank you so much. So, right, n by 20, right? So, n by 20 can be written as 1 by 20 into n. 1 by 20 into n. So, order of n. The time complexity of this program is going to be, see, as a CSE person, these are needed. As a CSE person, these are needed. Please learn. Please learn. Don't say these are gay. Don't say these are for software companies. Only one DSA is there. Only one DSA is there. Please learn proper DSA. Please don't go for shortcut. Please don't go for shortcut. Only one DSA is there. Only one DSA. If you go for shortcut, finally you don't get anything. If you go for shortcut, finally you don't get anything. Thank you, Venki. Thank you so much. Thank you, Akib. Thank you so much. Yeah, can we go to next problem? Can we go to next problem? Can we go to next problem? Please check. Anyone having doubt, please check. As a CSE person, these all needed. Someday they all will come. Someday they all will come. Someday they all will come. The people who are studying in the big companies, the people who are working in the big company, they know all these things. The people who are working in the big companies, they know all these things. Don't go for shortcut. Learn all the things properly. Somehow result will come back. Somehow result will come back. Somehow, you don't know from which side result will come. Result will come from left side or right side, from top, from bottom, you don't know. Some point of time, some side result will come. The only thing is, you please keep on improve. You please keep on improve. You don't need to go to result. Result will come to you. Result will come to you when you have knowledge. Let's go to next problem. If you are seriously preparing for GATE CSE or GATE DA or DSA classes, new batches are starting. For admissions, you can contact us through the WhatsApp number 8820. Message us on this. We will reply you. WhatsApp us on this on this mobile number, or you can go to exam prep tool. You can subscribe from there also. So the advantage of the full course is going to be, right, you will get the test series also freely. You will get the AIR1 notes also. Approximately 5,000 practice questions you will get. And the important thing is valuable video lectures you will get. Right? And one more thing, there is a time bound also. Within 5 months, we may complete the most of the syllabus. We will give enough time so that you will do a lot of practice and you will get the nice rank. Let's go to example 8. Main. I hope everyone got now. See this one. I value 1. I am expecting answer. While I less than or equal to n. I is equal to I plus 5. Can you help me? What is the time complexity of this program? I is equal to 1, while I less than or equal to n. I is equal to I plus 5. What is the time complexity of this program? Yeah, I think some, right? Goil G, I think right nearer to my house, some songs are playing. So that is not there in my hand. It is out of my control. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Say clearly how much. Say clearly how much. Say clearly how much. Clearly how much? N by 5. Clearly how much? N by 5. N by 5. This can be written 1 by 5 into n. This can be written order of n. Time complexity of this program is going to be n by 5. 1 by 5 into n, order of n. Learn all of them. Learn all of them. Learn all of them. Please inform to second year people. Please inform to third year people. Please inform to fourth year people. These are really required. Second year people, third year people, fourth year people, please inform them. These are required to them. If they learn properly, many opportunities will come. Okay, fine. Can you help me know what the answer of this? I is equal to I plus 5, then n by 5. See this one. I is equal to I plus 5, then n by 5. Suppose if I write one more line, I is equal to I plus 7. I is equal to I plus 7 if I write, first for I you are adding 5, next you are adding for I 7, total becomes, right, I you are adding 12, this became, right, this became, time complexity became n by 12, this became, right, 1 by 12 into n, this became big O of n. If at all 2 there, this is the answer. If only 1 is there, then n by 5. Suppose I is equal to I plus 7, only 1 is there, n by 7. I is equal to I plus 5, right? I is equal to I plus 5, right? N by 5. I is equal to I plus 7, n by 7. If both are there, total how much you are adding? You are adding total 12. Total you are adding 12, n by 12, 1 by 12 into n, order of n. Suppose if I add one more line, I is equal to I plus 100. Then it will become already 12 there, 112. Then it became 112, 1 by 112 into n. So order of n. Order of n. Fine. 112 order of n. Some people are asking me, sir, why are you removing constant, sir? Constant I am not removing. Priori analysis removed. Constant I didn't remove. Priori analysis removed. Priori analysis is saying that, think about only logic, not the processor type, not the language of the compiler. Language of compiler, type of processor will change by constant factor. But major thing is given by programmer logic. Major thing given by programmer logic. Programmer logic time complex order of n. Forget about small constant. I am not eliminated the constant. Priori analysis removed the constant. Priori analysis saying that I don't give exact answer. I will give approximate answer. Priori analysis saying that your logic is important, not constants. Priori analysis saying that logic is important, not constants. Right? So type of the CPU, language of the compiler will change by constant factor. But time complexity, actual time complexity decided by logic only. Actual time complexity decided by logic only. If you okay, I can go to the next problem. Venkatesh saying n square. Venkatesh is saying n square. Arey Venkatesh, how n square came? Venkatesh is saying n square. How n square came? Oh, good boy. Okay, fine. If you okay, can you go to the next problem? 8th problem is over. Go to the 9th problem. Example 9. Go to the 9th problem. Mean. I is equal to n. While I is equal to n. While I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 1. Can you help me? What is the answer of this? I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 1. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? See, those people who are there in the class, please remember, one day you cannot do anything. One day you cannot do anything continuously. One day you don't achieve anything. See, do you believe or not? To learn A also, when you are a small kid, right? LKG, UKG, like that. To learn A, alphabet A also, you went many days. Alphabet B also, to learn A only, you went 1 year. To learn ABCD, you went 2 years. To learn 1, 2, 3 numbers, you went 1 year. So nothing will come easily. To learn ABCD, 1 year, 2 year you spent. To learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 year, 2 year you spent. Slowly will come. So learn every day. Continuity is more important. One week coming, 1 week not coming. 1 day coming, 1 day not coming. So you don't achieve anything. Continuously how to learn? Continuously. You have to learn continuously. Otherwise you are the loser. Can you say what is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? In this program, see this one. In this program, I started from big number keep on decreasing until 1. So previous program, this program same. The only difference is previously I is small, I increased. Now I is big, I decreased. Right? Previously, yeah, it may be for a little bit, right? Within few minutes answer will change. So Goel is saying that every time complexity coming order of n, but initial program order of 1, na? Initial program order of 1, right? Goel bhaiya, initial time complexity order of 1, na? It depending upon program, how you write, right? Now see this one. In this program, if you observe, all I is always decrementing by 1. Previous program, this program same. Previous program started from I small number, then increment. Now you started from big number, decrement. See this one. Initially I value 100 assume. 100 became 99. 99 became 98 and so on. 1. So 100 is greater than or equal to 1 true. Right, next 99 greater than or equal to 1 true. 98 greater than or equal to 1 true and so on. 1 greater than 1 also true. So 100 times pass. Next to 0 greater than or equal to 1 fail. So 100 times. So the time complexity of this program is, right? See this one. Always if you subtract 1, n by 1. Always if you subtract 1, n by 1. Suppose assume that always if you subtract 10, n by 10. Suppose assume always you subtract by 100, n by 100. N by 100. Just wait. Yeah. So if you subtract always 100, n by 100. If you subtract always 1001, n by 1001. It is one. Addition, subtraction same. Addition, if you want to add, start I small, then keep on add. If you want to do subtract, start from big number, then keep on decrement. Addition, subtraction same. Suppose if you subtract always by 1, n by 1. If you subtract always 100, n by 100. If you subtract always 1001, n by 1001. This is nothing but 1 by 1001 into n. This is nothing but order of n. Careful. It will come, everything will come. Yeah, can we move to next problem? Can we move to next problem? Yeah, you can write theta of n also, big O of n also, omega of n also, all same. Some point of time they will differ, right? Definitely there is some change, right? Otherwise, what is the need of same symbol many times? There is some change, correct time we will discuss. Definitely there is a change, correct time we will discuss. Yeah, can I move to next? Can I move to next? If it is okay, please type okay. Please write type, please type go next. Please type go next. Please type go next. Please type go next. Yeah, fine. So let's see the next problem. Let's see the next problem. Let's see the next problem. Example 10. Example 10. Main. Example 10 main. I is equal to n while I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 5, I is equal to I minus 7, I is equal to I minus 50. So what is the answer? So what is the answer? I is equal to I minus 5, I is equal to I minus 7, I is equal to I minus 50. Then what is the answer? Yeah, can you say what is the time complexity of this program? Can you say real time complexity? Actual time complexity, say. What is the actual time complexity? What will be the actual time complexity? What will be the actual time complexity? I want actual, no big O, no omega. No big O, no omega. Actual means give actual. Actual means please give actual. What is the actual answer? I think first 5 subtracted, next 7 subtracted, next 50 subtracted. Total 62 subtracted. Total 62 subtracted. Every time 62 you are subtracting. So actual answer is n by 62. Actual answer is n by 62. Right? If you use big O omega theta, right? Big O omega theta is approximation. Big O omega theta is approximation. Approximately big O of n. Approximately, right? Omega of n. Approximately theta of n. Right? Careful. Actual answer is n by 62. Actual answer is n by 62. N by 62 is actual answer. This can be written as 1 by 62 into n, which can be written as order of n, which can be written as omega of n, which can be written as theta of n. All correct. All correct. Actual answer is n by 62, which can be written as 1 by 62 into n. Please don't by heart, right? In CSE branch, the biggest losers are, in CSE branch, biggest losers are those people who will by heart. In CSE branch, right? Okay, fine. In CSE branch, biggest losers are by hearting people. If you by heart, you are the loser. If you by heart, you are the loser. Please careful. If anyone is by hearting, please don't by heart. Computer science is so easy if you don't by heart. Computer science is so easy if you don't by heart. If you by heart, you are the loser. Don't by heart. Meaningfully study. Meaningfully study. Computer science means common sense. CSE means common sense engineering. Common sense engineering. Common sense engineering. It is not computer science actually. Common sense engineering. Computer science means common sense engineering. Please be careful. If anyone by heart, no use. If you by heart, you don't get anything. If you don't by heart, all programming become easy. If you don't by heart, programming become easy. If you by heart, you are the loser. If you by heart, you are the loser. If you don't by heart, you are the hero. If you don't by heart, you are the hero. Yeah, can we go to next? 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 Bhaiya, can you go to next? Arey Venkatesh, can we go next? Venkatesh, can we go next? Suman, Soumya, can we go next? Arey Sarkar, how can you sit idle? Sarkar, say something. Sarkar, you are the one who is running the total movie. Total movie run by Sarkar only. Sarkar bhaiya, say, can we move? Yeah, now see everyone see this, can you help everyone see this, let us assume that, see this one, to survive on this earth, everyone listen, to survive on this earth, everyone have to remember this, to survive on this earth, right, we have to do every day, to survive on this earth, every day we have to do work one, to survive on this earth. Every day we have to work one. See this one. Every day we have to work one. To survive on this earth, every day we have to work one. Let us assume. So every day we need work one to survive on this earth. What some people will do is, they will do little less. To survive on this earth, every day some people will do little less. Some people will do every day little more they will do. To survive on this earth, right? Some people will do every day little less. Some people will do every day little more. Some people will do as it is. Some people will do as it is one only. To survive on this earth, right? Some people will do every day little less. Some people will do every day little more. So every day this person is doing little less, every day this person is doing little more, every day this person is doing one. You see, every day if you do one, after 365 days also, you will be one only. Every day if you do one, after 365 days also, you will be one only. Right? This person, every day if you do little less, so after 365 days, it is almost zero. This person every day is doing little more. This became 1.01 whole power 365. Right? So it is going to be approximately maybe 40. So what I want to say is, listen, whatever is needed, every day if you do little less, so means you are decrementing. After 365 days, you are only for namesake living. You decreased yourself. After 365 days, you became zero. No one is respecting because you are always decrementing. Every day decrementing. I seen so many students. I seen so many students who are decrementing each day. Every day they will decrement. Every day they will decrement. If you keep on decrement, you will almost become zero. You will almost become zero. But some people, what they will do is, every day one required, they will do one only. See, starting also one only, ending also one only. That means you are dead. Every time same means you are dead, man. Every time same means you are dead. So, see, starting also one, ending also one, you are dead. I wish everyone will go to this category. I wish all my students will go to this category. Every day improve little bit. Every day improve little bit. Every day improve little bit. If you improve each day little bit, then you are the hero. If you improve each day little bit, you are the hero. See, Sachin Tendulkar will be here. Tendulkar is here. Virat Kohli is here. Tendulkar is here. Virat Kohli is here. Narendra Modi is here. Right? All the great people are here. All the great people are here. Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, Narendra Modi, all the great people. All the great people are here. I wish you will also be here. I wish you will also be here. I wish I will also be here. Each day improve. Improve each day. See, if you don't do, some people eating, sleeping. Some people eating, sleeping, eating, sleeping, eating, sleeping. This means dead. Eating, sleeping. What do they use? Dead. These are useless people. These are waste. Only for namesake they are living. Every day decrementing, every day decrementing, every day. If you want to decrement every day, why are you living on this earth? Every day you want to decrement, then why are you living on this earth? Already we have less resources. Already we have less resources. Why are you wasting resources for decrementing? To decrement yourself, why are you wasting resources? Right? See this one. The only person, remember everyone. The only person who can increase you is you only. The only person who can increase you is you only. If you want to increase, you will increase. If you want to decrease, you will decrease. But remember, the only person who can increase is you only. The only person who can increase you is you only. Not, remember, mama cannot increase you. Mama cannot increase you. She can keep the food maximum. Mama cannot increase you. Papa cannot increase you. Reddy sir cannot increase you. Mama cannot increase you. Papa cannot increase you. Reddy sir cannot increase you. You only can increase yourself. Do more work. Right? Do more work. The only person who can increase you is you only. Not mama, not papa, not Reddy sir. Mama can give food to you. Mama can give love to you. Papa can arrange a little bit of money. Papa can arrange whatever is possible. Reddy sir can help you teach. He will teach for like all the people how he is teaching. He can also teach to you. Reddy sir can teach. He can help you. Mama can help you. Papa can help you. The only person who can increase you is you only. So please increase. Don't decrease each day. See, each day if you decrease, each day. So, see this one. Whenever Algo class is started initially, you have 100. You have 100% confident. If you decrement yourself every day, 99. It is a 98. Overall, lastly become 0. There is no meaning. Please improve little bit. Little bit. Remember, consistency matters. Talent is not important. Consistency matters. So please take care. Everyone, please take care. Consistency matters. not talent, nothing. See, 1 week studying, 1 week not studying. This is the very, very important one in life. This is the very, very important one. Tendulkar became so great because of consistency. Virat Kohli became so great because of consistency. Everyone became great because of consistency. All great people became great. The reason is consistency is the reason. Right? Fine. It's okay. Let's move to the next problem. I think example number 10 over. Go to example number 11. Go to example number 11. Right, fine, that's okay. Yeah, start now. Example 11. Main. So my only intention is, listen, my only intention is, the only person who can increase you is you only. I want to say this. My only intention is this one. The only person who can increase you on this earth is you only. You please work properly. I cannot increase you, I can teach. Every day little bit. You no need to see this one. You no need to eat at a time 100 kg food. You no need to eat at a time 100 kg food. Eat slowly little bit. Every day little bit you do. Finally you will become absolutely fine. Right? Main. Next problem. Main. I is equal to n while I greater than or equal to 1. I is equal to I minus 50. I is equal to I minus 25. I is equal to I minus 30. I is equal to everyone is capable. Whoever there in this classroom, everyone capable. The only thing is, are you believing yourself or not? Are you believing yourself or not? That matters. If you believe, you can do it. I can do means you can do. If you believe I can do means you can do. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the answer of this problem? Why don't you declare I only initialize? Yeah, someone is saying, yeah, see, once she is saying that, why don't you declare? So remember, it is not a program, it is algorithm. Right? It is not a program, it is algorithm. When we are going to the programming, there we will do. Thank you so much for asking. When we go to programming, we will do that. It is algorithm. Algorithm means normal English lines. Thank you so much for asking. Vanshu, thank you so much for asking. Right? Whenever programming is started, that time I will declare also. Don't worry. That time I will declare also. Now only necessary things I am writing. Can you say what is the answer of this problem? Once, are you okay? Please give signal to me. Are you okay? Yeah, so whenever we will go to programming, we will write the same. That is called syntax. Of the program. We will see afterwards. Right, now see, what is the answer of this one? I think everyone is mentioned. First 50 subtracted, next 25 subtracted, next 30 subtracted. Total if you observe, I think 105. I think it's going to be n by 105, which is going to be 1 by 105, which is going to be big O of n. I am happy with that. Listen, I am happy with that. 1 at n by 105 into n, big O of n, that is fine. Now listen everyone, now one more line is given. I is equal to I minus 40. What is the answer? Sorry, I is equal to I plus 40. See this one, is it positive or negative? Doesn't matter. Can you say overall value how much? First 50 subtracted, next 25 subtracted, next 30 subtracted, total becomes minus 105. To that add 40, it became I think 65. Minus 65. It became minus 65, right? Okay, every time 65 subtracted. This value finally become I is equal to I minus 65. So this became n by 65. This became 1 by 65 into n. This became order of n. See the overall value. See the overall value. You will play game by, right? Sometimes subtraction, sometimes adding. Sometimes subtraction, sometimes adding. It became I is equal to I minus 65. Overall how much? Overall how much? Oh, overall is 65 decrementing every time. Right? Right? Overall is 65 decrementing every time. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? Listen. Can you help me now? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. In the program, loop is important or not? In the program, loop is important. Time complexity means loop only. Time complexity means loop only. In the program, loop is important. In a similar way, in our life also, see, each day you are doing something. Each day, loop means repeating same thing. In your life also, you also repeating every day. Every day you are repeating good things. Every day you are improving little bit. Every day you are improving little bit. Every day you are improving little bit. So remember, life also loop only. Life also loop only. In that loop, are you incrementing, decrementing? It matters. If you increment, you will grow like anything. If you decrement, you decrement like anything. Life also loop only. You no need to do one day extraordinary thing. One day extraordinary, further nothing, no use. One day extraordinary thing, further nothing, no use. Every day in the life is a loop. In the loop, what you are doing, in the loop every day I am improving, then definitely at the end of the day you will be absolutely fine. See the Reliance, every day they are improving. See the Google, every day they are improving. See the TCS, every day they are improving. Every day you have to improve. This is the only way to grow in life. If you do shortcuts, you will fall down. Shortcut means you will go somewhere, suddenly you will fall down. Why you want that? Grow slowly, continuously grow. Right? Let's go to next problem. Example number 11 is over. Example number 12. Example number 12. Example number 12. Right, example number 12. Now see this one. Main. It is a nice problem. Can you take care? It is a nice problem. I is equal to n. While I is greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I minus 50, I is equal to I plus 60. Can you help me? What is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? I want answer from you. Please check. This is a very, very nice one. This is a very, very nice problem. Can you check what is the time complexity of this program? Yeah. What is the answer you are thinking? I want answer from you. What is the answer you are thinking? What is the answer you are thinking? Please let me know what is the answer you are thinking. Yeah, Suman is saying, listen, everyone, I am very happy. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. You got it. Listen. So I started with big number. Overall, it is already big. I is already big. You are subtracting small number. You are adding big number. Subtracting small number, adding big number. Overall, how much you added extra? Right, 7 minus 7 plus 9, 2. Right, plus 2 minus 50 minus 48 minus 48 plus 60, how much? 12. So every time you are adding 12, already I is big. Already I big. You are keep on adding 12. You are keep on adding 12. It never stop. Termination condition never stop. I think it will go. Listen. It never stop. It will go like this. One. First one, I value n. N greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 12 greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 24 greater than or equal to 1, true. N plus 36 greater than or equal to 1, true. It is keep on going. Can anyone help me now? Algorithm, what is one of the property? It should stop after some time. Please careful. Right? This one, listen. This one, whatever I written, this one, it is not stopping. Not stopping means it is not algorithm. Algorithm should stop. It is not algorithm. It may be program. See this one. It is a program. But not algo. It is not algo. It is a program. If anyone asks you, can you give one example? Which is a program but not a algorithm? If anyone asks you from today onwards, give one example which is a program but not algo. You can give this. This is not a algo, but it is a program. This program going to infinite loop, but it is not a algorithm. Algorithm means it should stop. Every algorithm should terminate. It is not a algorithm. Whenever it is not a algorithm, we cannot find out time complexity. Time complexity we don't calculate. If anyone say time complexity infinite, that is also correct, which is nothing but we cannot calculate time complexity. Time complexity infinite means we cannot calculate time complexity. Means it is not a algorithm. See, some people what they will do is this one. Okay, overall, some people will do like this one. Overall 12 is incrementing. I is equal to I plus 12. Some people will do like this one. I is equal to I plus 12. Oh, always 12 incrementing. So time complexity is n by 12. So finally time complexity order of n. Right? Some people will do like this one. Always n incrementing by 12. So time complexity become n by 12. Order of n. No, Bhaiya, use common sense. So that is the reason starting point also matters. Starting point already bigger, you are adding. It never go to 1. Already it is bigger. You are keep on increasing. So it never stop. Some people what they will do is, right, they don't use common sense. They will use by-hearted things. See, oh, always plus 12, n by 12. Always plus 12, n by 12. Always plus 12, n by 12. Right? If you start from small number, then increment. If you start from big number, decrement. Start from small number, then increment. Start from big number, then decrement. You should do opposite. But already big, you are keep on adding. It never stop. That is the reason you cannot by heart. Computer science is so sensitive. Computer science is so sensitive. If you keep on by hearting, you don't get anything in this branch. Those people who want to be a good developer, you should have common sense. If you want to be a good developer, you should have common sense. Right? These are the mistakes, small mistakes. Please keep on rectify. If anyone thought time complexity n, if anyone thought time complexity n, it is not n. Time complexity we cannot calculate because it is not algorithm, because it is not stopping. Because it is not stopping. Every algorithm should stop. Every algorithm should stop. Now, one small question I want to ask you. Listen, one small question I want to ask you. Algorithm program, which is practical? One small question I want to ask you. Algorithm program, which is practical? Algorithm program, which is practical? Algorithm program, which is practical, which is theoretical? Algorithm program, which is which is practical, which is theoretical. Remember, algorithm is theoretical. Algorithm is theoretical. Theoretical way of writing program. Theoretical way of writing program is called algorithm. Algorithm you cannot keep inside computer. Program you have to keep inside computer. First write algo, then write the practical implementation in the form of a program. First write algo. Algo is theoretical way of writing. Theoretical way of writing the program is known as algorithm. If you write using some machine instruction, that is called program. Before program, you should write algorithm first. First write algorithm, then go for program. Don't write the program first. First write algorithm. First write the algorithm. Algorithm is a theoretical way of writing. Take two numbers, add both of them, store in C, afterwards print C, like that. Normal English line if you write, theoretical way. Right? If you want to design anything in life, first algorithm required, which is also called road map. People used to say that to solve this problem, what will be the road map? To solve this problem, what will be the road map? That is called algorithm. That is called algorithm. Road map is nothing but algorithm. If you have algorithm in some language, you can implement. First write the algorithm. The problem, listen. Some people are asking, that's why theoretical. Yeah, before starting program, you have to write algorithm. For my serious request to everyone. My serious request to everyone. Don't write program directly. Please write algorithm first. Don't write program directly. Please write algorithm first. Please write algorithm first. Don't write program first. Please write algorithm first. Algorithm okay, then go for a program. Algorithm okay, then go for a program. So please promise me from today onwards, please promise me from today onwards to write program of anything. First, I will write algorithm. Please promise me. Please promise me in the group, in the chat. In the comments, please promise me. Please promise me so that we can proceed further. Sir, to do anything, first I will write algorithm. Please promise me. Please promise me, right? To write program of anything, first I will write algorithm. Please promise me. Promise I will write algorithm. Promise I will write algorithm. I don't write program first. This is the biggest mistake what people are doing. They are writing the program first. Please write the algorithm first. Everyone should type. Everyone should type. Write algorithm, then program. If you directly write program, you go to infinite loop. Everyone. Everyone. So one dog name is there. That dog name is Roni. That dog name is Roni. So Roni, you also type. Roni, you also type. Some dogs are not typing. Those people who are not typed, please type. Please type. I will promise I don't write program first. I will write algo first. Please type, everyone. Not only promising, you have to satisfy also. Not only promising, you have to satisfy also. First write algo. Don't write program. Right. Perfect. Arey, you can type na. Roni, you can type na. Don't think I said dog and all. You are my younger brother or younger sister. I don't have any feelings. I don't have any bad feeling. You are my younger brother, younger sister. Right? Don't think anything badly. I don't have any bad opinion. Maybe I said dog because you didn't type. You can type. First write algo, then program. Algo program. Right, perfect. So if you write the program directly, it will go to infinite loop. Please write algo first, then write algorithm, then program. Okay, fine, perfect. Go to the next problem. I think Roni maybe felt bad. Sir, how can you say me dog? Roni want to say, sir, how can you say me dog? Arey, you are my brother. You are like my brother, younger brother. Younger brother, I can say whatever I want. Younger brothers, younger sisters are shameless. Younger brothers and younger sisters are shameless. They are shameless people. I can say whatever I want because they are my younger brothers. Fine, that's okay. Fine. If you felt bad, I'm really sorry. Right? Perfect. Move next. Next example. Example 12 over example 13. Main Srivastava. Oh, Arey Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Srivastav Bhaiya, you came here also. Shashank Srivastava. Oh, you came here also. Chalo. Mean I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n, I is equal to I plus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I plus 25. Can you say what is the answer of this? Yeah, complete now. What is the answer? Yeah, say what is the answer for this? I am expecting answer from everyone. Check properly. I started from small number. Afterwards, keep on incrementing. What is the answer? Amar is saying constant. Arey Amar, how can you say constant? Arey Aman, don't you have common sense? How can you say constant here? I is equal to I plus 7, I is equal to I plus 9, I is equal to I plus 25. Can you say overall how much you are adding? Overall how much you are adding? I value already 1, 1 plus 7. Sorry, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 25. How much? 41? 41. Every time you are adding by 41. So, time complexity of this program n by 41. N by 41. So, 1 by 41 into n. Finally n. Finally n. Fine. Every time incrementing by 41. Every time incrementing by 41. Every time incrementing by 41. So n by 41, 1 by 41 into n, order of n. Remember, time complexity finding is nothing but loop is how many time? Time complexity finding is nothing but loop is how many times? Loop only. Our life also loop only. Our life is loop. Our life is loop. Loop is going on. Every day taking breakfast. Afterwards going to college. Again taking lunch, afterwards going to college, right? Afterwards taking dinner, afterwards sleeping, then again woke up, taking breakfast, same thing going on. Life is loop. Every person is nothing but, every person life is nothing but one loop is going on. In the loop do good things, because loop means repetition. You are keep on repeating, keep on repeat good things, keep on repeat good things. So n by 41. Now can see everyone. Now can see everyone. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Can you help me now? Can you help me now? Is it right? Listen. This part. This part. Everyone listen. This part. Is it loop? Is it part of the loop or not? Is it part of the loop or not? Is it part of the loop or not? It is not part of the loop. Listen, it is not part of the loop. Suppose assume that it is 1 is there, then answer is 1 by 41 into n. 1 is there, 1 by 41 into n. Suppose if it is 100 there, oh, without doing any work I already got 100. Minus 100 you do. Without doing any work I already got 1000. Do minus 1000. But anyhow, function is bigger. See, n is bigger because n may be 1 crore. N may be 2 crore, so it is the bigger part. 1 by 41 into n. Finally, order of n. Please take care. In this problem, I want to convey this. Are you okay or not? Check. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best, my boy. All the best. Suman, you are correct, minus only. So if you okay with this, can we go to next? Why we are doing minus? Already, see, he is not starting from 1. He is starting from 1000. Oh, some work already done. Some work already done. So minus 1000. If you start from 1, listen, if you start from 1, you will get more. If you start from 1000, you will get little less. If you start from 1 lakh, you will get little less. So from which place you started, that number you can subtract. But anyhow, see, whether you subtract, whether you add, doesn't matter. So please careful. Can you help me now? Inside loop matter or before loop matter? Inside loop matter or before loop matter? Inside loop or before loop? Inside loop or before loop? Which one matters? Inside loop or before loop? Which one matters? Loop matter. Every day what you are doing, that matters. Before loop what you do, that is not that much issue, that much big issue. Inside loop what is going on. Every day what you are doing, that matter. One day what you are doing, that doesn't matter. Previously 1 is there. 1 means you have to start from 1. 1 became right. 1 plus 41, 42. 42 plus 41, 83. 83 plus 41, 124. So like that. But when you say I is equal to 1000, it's already 1000. Okay, little work is already done. So from the total, remove that 1000. So, right, one more important thing I want to say from this problem, don't worry that much about before loop. Before loop, listen, before loop, see this one. I is equal to 1000 also same as I is equal to 1, all same. I is equal to 10 also same, differ by constant factor, differ by small constant. I is equal to 500 also same, all same. If at all 1000 is there. If at all 500 there. If it is 10 there, 10 there. But denominator is this function only. 1 by 41 into n. Finally order of n. Fine. Can you go to 11th program? Can you say what is the 11th program time complexity? Can you say what is the 11th program time complexity? One she is ask someone, Array, see, if we are doing good work, they will come. Everyone will join if you are doing good work. If you don't do good work, no one will come. One shoe, they only will come. Soon everyone will come, don't worry. Do good work, all will follow you. Yeah, what is the time complexity of this problem? Please help me, time complexity of this problem. Let me know time complexity of this program. So if you see this program, time complexity of this program, you see this one, time complexity of this program is n by 65. Time complexity of this program is n by 65. See, time complexity of this program is n by 65. 1 by 65 into n, order of n. Time complexity of this program is n by 65. 1 by 65 into n, order of n. Right? Fine. Everyone know n by 65. Listen now. Because of here n is there, listen. Because of here n is there, n by 65. Because of here n is there, n by 65. Here if at all n square there, if at all here n square there, n square by 65. N is there, n by 65. N square there, n square by 65. Suppose here log n is there. Here log n is there. This place log n there. Log n by 65. Suppose in this place n by 10 is there. It is going to be n by 10 by 65. Whatever is there by 65. Whatever is there by 65. Whatever is there by 65. So n by 65 also order of n. N square by 65 order of n square. Log n by 65 order of log n. N by 10 by 65 it became n by 650. N by 650 which will become order of n. This is what Goyal asked. This is what Goyal is asking. You got? Whatever is there, if n is there, n by. If n square is there, n square. If n square is there, n square. Like that. So can I help you now? Minus 5 plus 5 both are same. They both will cancel each other. Minus 5 plus 5. They both will cancel each other. Minus reverse is plus. Plus reverse is minus. If you have a big number, If you have a big number, subtract so that loop will stop. If you have a big number, subtract so that loop will be stopped. If you have small number, add so that loop will be stopped. At the end of the day, bigger subtract, smaller add, right? So that loop will be over. Addition reverse is subtraction. Subtraction reverse is addition. We are not interested here addition or subtraction. We are interested here loop is how many time. We are interested here loop is how many time. Loop is how many time. We are interested here loop is how many time. Someone is saying, right, sir, with loop, with while loop, use n instead of. No, previously also see this one. Everywhere see. Everywhere we are using see this one. I is equal to n. Can I help you now? This program, if you observe, always 62 subtracting. So if n is there, n by 62. If n is there, n by 62. In the place of n square there, n square by 62. In the n square log n is there, log n by 62, like that. Whatever is there by 62. It is also C. Listen, it is also C. Starting from big number, always subtracting this. N by 1001. If at all n square, if it is n square by 1001. That is the reason I used to say don't by heart. Meaningfully study, everything okay. Just meaningfully study, everything okay. With while loop, use n instead of 1. What you are talking? With while loop, use n instead of 1. Everything is while only, na? How can you say this? Everything is while only. See, everywhere while, what is the meaning of, right? Use 1 instead of n. Everywhere while only. Every problem is while only. Now, come to this problem. Listen, come to this problem. Everyone listen, come to this problem. In this problem, every time you are adding, listen, every time you are adding 41. Every time you are adding 41. In this problem, every time you are adding 41. Careful, every time you are adding 41. So time complexity of this program became, n by 41. Suppose n by 41, if at all here n is there, n by 41. If n there, n by 41. Suppose here n square there, n square by 41. N square there, n square by 41. Here n cube there, n cube by 41. Don't think much about before loop. Don't think much about before loop. Right, fine. We done 13 problem, right? Please go through all of them one time. Please go through all of them one time. Don't confuse, right? If anything is confusing, you can ask me, right? This is my WhatsApp number, you can ask me. If anything is confusing, you can ask me. Please go through it one time.